I have been posting healthy recipes on Tuesday, and this is a super delicious, super easy, healthy oats groats salad which you're going to just love it. I love the rhyming oats and groats. I think so you should also enjoy it. Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. So let's begin with the healthy oats groats salad. Yes, and you know I'm practicing as a nutritionist or dietitian, whatever you call. So if you want my consultation, just go and fill the form which is provided below in the description box, or you can literally message me even. So for the delicious oats groats salad, I am going to use the whole oats which I have just boiled it. Yes, I have just boiled it and I have kept that aside and I have cooled it. And after that I am taking a big mixing bowl, dropping some oats into it. Yes, these are your boiled oats. They look so lovely. And to this I am going to add some cranberries. Yes, dried cranberries. They are not sweetened, that is, they are unsweetened dried cranberries. And to this I am adding the boiled carrots. You know, carrots are so rich in vitamin A, very good for the eyes. And here comes the capsicum, some green color being added in the form of capsicum. So we have red, yellow, white and green. Some black pepper powder goes into it, some salt goes into it. It's a very simple salad, you can say, or you can say a savory recipe of the oats groats which you're going to just love it because very few ingredients are needed. I am dropping lots of lemon juice goes into it. Yes, drop lots of lemon juice so that it gives a beautiful taste to this salad. Now comes the extra virgin olive oil. Yes, that would give a lovely flavor to my salad. This is not basically a salad because mostly your oats are boiled, your carrots are boiled, and little bit of crunchiness is being provided with the cranberries and the capsicum. So just give a magic mix and my salad is almost done. Oh, I forgot to add some fresh herbs. So I had thyme. I am dropping that. That would give a lovely taste to this or flavor to this salad because this salad is so simple. Not much of ingredient is required. Even if you don't want to add olive oil, don't add. But extra virgin olive oil, you know, is very good for health. So it's good if you have it in any form, and better to have it raw, that is on your toast or on your salad or on any wrap. And now comes the tasting time. This goes in my mouth and it's perfect in taste. Yes, it's very chewy, which I loved it. The texture is very tangy and sweet and savory. Perfect recipe to enjoy it as a whole meal even. Yes, basically I have been posting a lot of salad recipes because I'm enjoying the salad days, you can say. So if you have liked it and enjoyed it, just go and make this delicious oats groats salad. But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer it. Thank you.